I am Sumita Sarkar, wife of Shamal Sarkar. Shamal has already said that how he had met with an accident, and the aftermath of it, he has gone through a lot of, his pain revived after some time, and of late he had not been able to walk properly. There was a lot of difficulty in walking, in his postures, in getting up from a sitting posture to a standing posture, and so many things. So as he said, we have tried so many places, and finally we had identified Mission Walk and thought that this was the right place that we should venture. So since he was coming here for his therapies, I accompanied him every day, and I would see like what it is all about. There are patients from all angles. Some of them need mental care, some of them are physically impaired, accident cases, brain palsy, little children, how they are treated. These therapists, they're not only doctors, they're not only, service providers, they become the best of your friends, and the way they handle each patient, it is amazing. There are so many machines, so many modern equipments which, with the help of which, these therapies are carried out, and they do it with so much patience and perseverance, with a smile on their faces. They work from morning till evening. I don't know how many hours, so many sessions. They are never tired, and they take every possible care. They are so, mature in their work, in their services, and we are totally, I feel really blessed that I have come to this place, and we have identified this place for Shamal. The founder is Dr. Ravi. I congratulate him for his initiative in making this place a hub for medical assistance to all the people who need it immensely. The patients here are from different kind of patients. Some of them, as I said, brain palsy, some accident cases. And in such cases, I feel they go through some mental trauma, like some kind of depression. Every person who goes through this kind of trauma in life, they are most likely to get into depression. So, but here, seeing the other patients, improve, and the therapy they are getting, there is so much motivation. These therapists, they motivate the patient constantly that, okay, you can do it, you will achieve it. This kind of motivation is very, very important to get out of depression, and to talking to all the others, making friends with them, knowing each other, that helps them a lot to come out of it. And yes, of course, the environment, the support that this place provides for each one is amazing. And I have seen so many patients get well. I have questioned the therapists and the service providers in the beginning, that whether it is going to help, my husband, whether the others, I've asked about the others, whether they will be in their best of their life again. And the response was always very positive. I was always said yes, and I've seen the result. They all are. Each one of them is feeling better in some way or the other, I guess. So yes, it has been an immense initiative by Dr. Ravi, and well supported by head of the department, Dr. Basit, who is constantly on his rounds looking after each patient, knowing like what is their difficulty, writing a memoir of all their defects and their improvements and what else is needed. So every care is given to each patient, and it is an amazing place. That's what I can say. Thank you so much.